Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So what you need to do first is of course come to your Instagram application on your mobile. And now when you are on your Instagram app, then you should actually come to your profile, because what you need to do is make this work. You need to at least have two Instagram accounts. If you just have one Instagram account right now, I would actually recommend you to create another one for this to work. So basically what you need to do after that, when you do have two accounts, well, just search for one specific person on Instagram that is basically that you know of more or less, right? So search for them and search for their Instagram username. And let's say that for their first account, that username does not come up. It says like user not found, or basically in the search you cannot see any account with that username, and you try the exact same thing but on the second account instead, and the second account returns you the like results. Basically it returns that specific account. Well, what we know about that then is that the first account that you have, that person block you on the first account, but on the second account you are not blocked. So 100% you know that on the first account you have been blocked because you are not able to find that person, but on the second account you are not blocked, as I said before. So basically as of right now, this is probably the easiest and the most reliable way to actually know if somebody has actually blocked you on Instagram or not. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.